Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a 555 timer circuit that chirps. If you guys have ever messed with a 555 timer, you know that sometimes, or most of the time, you can only get a duty cycle of 50%. Anything below 50 is pretty hard. So all you will need is a battery holder. This is like a piezoelectric beeper. You can get it off of Amazon. This is a rechargeable LIR 2032 lithium ion battery. It's like a watch battery. A 1K ohm resistor, a 30K ohm resistor, just your regular diode. This one is you probably can't see it, but it is a 1N4007 diode. This is it could be any capacitor. This capacitor is just for stabilizing the 555 timer, and this is a 22 microfarad capacitor. And we have the 555 timer. These are just jumper cables for setting up the prototype, and this is a prototype board. It's pre-set up with the battery holder in place. So we will now we will be using a 555 timer in astable mode. So you can go to a website, just search for 555 timer operating modes, and in astable mode it will output this type of signal, just up and down, up and down. So going off of this schematic, we just need R1, R2. R1 is 1000 kiloohms, R2 is 30 kiloohms, and C, which is the capacitor, down in this corner. That's a 22 microfarad. This website also has a calculator which will help you determine the frequency that you want. So with those resistors and capacitors, it's going to be around 1 hertz. So let's start out by placing the 555 timer on the board. To ground. This is this piezoelectric speaker. Alright, let's see what it sounds like. We'll just plug in the battery. And you see it's not really chirping because it's 50% duty cycle, but we'll disconnect the battery and we'll put in the diode now. Sorry, let me pop out the battery. Okay, put it back the battery in. Now it's chirping. And that is what we want. The reason why we want to chirp is because it just sounds better. But let's go ahead and turn this into an actual prototype. And with this little circuit, you can like hide it around and play games with your kids or with other people. And there's probably other stuff you could do, like instead of connecting a speaker, you could just connect an LED and it'll just flash to this frequency. When you it's not 1 hertz anymore, so that means that the diode actually makes it, changes the frequency also. And I don't know the formula for that. I'm just a maker. But thank you for watching my channel. Alright, we are outside. This is my daughter Cora. Say hi, Cora. Hi. This is that same circuit, but in PCB form. We're gonna try to hide it and see if Cora can find it. So turn it on. Cora, you know what this is? Okay, you're gonna try to find it, okay? But first close your eyes for 10 seconds, or close your eyes and count to 20. Okay, see if you can find it. Come find it. You can open your eyes now. Try to find it. You have to listen to it. Nice. Good job.